Hi, welcome to Stacie's cooking show. And back to play some music. So don't even judge, alright? Thank you. So, if you judge, well, you'll die for me. So let's put on the song. Yeah! Everybody loves me. Everybody loves me. Loves me. Alright, that's it. So now what you're needing is bowl, big giant bowl, flashlight, cake, simple stir, oven, too. So first thing to do is put your cake inside. Put your whole cake inside.
You are so different than most of the girls.
I go in the bathroom so I can get dressed, but somebody went to a shit and blew it up.
And then put your light. It's really red in the camera. It's really red in real life, but it's orange in the camera. So don't judge. Oh, and see the black stuff? That's what you need. Alright, and then pour some pepper inside. Want the pepper to be inside. I need something to hold this camera. Not headphones. Move back. I want to hold this. There we go. Now, after you add that, add your pepper. That's not coming out. Pepper, come on out. Come on, Pepper. There you go. Pepper, all in there.
A spray?
You think this stays lonely?
Well, for your information,
How long does that body stay?
I don't know. How long?
Guys, give me some color. I want some color.
Her number.
Sure.
What up?
Well,
What is
there's
this?
Chloe, Madison, Anna.
Okay. After you add that in,
You know what?
you want to stir. Let up real good. It is really smushed up, alright guys? Just stir.
Shut up, girl. By the way, I only hooked up with Bridge Juice with last season's birthday.
The Demetria. And who? You said Justin or Justine? Justine. Why? I said Justin.
And not in the way I usually am.
Now this.
Okay.
I want to do this.
Why are you taking a
Yeah, I got a leg and a
It's
biscuit.
a job. And I'm good at it. Plus,
I want to
I
win.
had a raise.
Yeah, give me a win.
I
I
thought
want
you
a
wanted
breast.
something better.
I'm playing. What do breasts look like? They look like that.
Now it's not good enough?
Well, I just
What
thought
is
it was
this?
temporary.
There we go.
Just to get you out of the job where you had to
Now I can
One
stir.
of those?
I didn't think it would become a way of life.
Biscuit.
It's not like
Then get a biscuit. Ah! My camera fell.
Baby, give me a piece of yours.
Right there, right
To the
there.
camera.
Right on top, right there.
I think we should break up.
Then you know that I'm recording you eating?
What?
Alright guys. Just getting stirred up. Pretty good. Then put that in the oven. I'm not going to show you putting this in the oven guys.
Oh man, you eat ugly.
Alright, oven open. Open.
You said it's time to celebrate the 14-year anniversary.
How many new Twitter followers since the last time?
And then I said the 13 year.
The comments are loading faster than I can read them.
I am Jack.
888.
Said the month.
Hold on, guys. Y'all gotta look at the standing for now.
It was freaking awesome. My job and idea then was safe. Hell, maybe I even had a shot at the eat. What do I call it?
There we go. Alright, guys. Now that's open, we can put
Hey, Jan, weird
the
question, but
cake
you write a super detailed
inside.
post about our relationship on Idea.
Just tell me
Put that on for 180 degrees. Well, 888 degrees, right there. Just move that up, right?
It's horrible, I know, but they changed it on the last minute.
Look,
without
right
telling me. Totally not when I
there. You see that?
I think it actually really liked
Right
the article if you just
there.
read it.
Let's start.
You had no right to do this.
What you do now?
I just thought you were some second tier high school girl.
That's mommy's phone.
You are a real bitch. Bitch.
Now, what you gonna do? Well, we're making a croissant, so
A what?
croissant. And then what you're gonna do is
For Sean.
gonna crack your leg.
Yeah, but I mean, for him to walk away like,
Crack.
Oh, she put up a post about their relationship.
I'll whack him up.
Most people
Not
think that after an
happy
accident,
with it.
you'll have to pay $500 for your deductible.
But you don't have to say it.
Okay, so that will get ready in about 10 minutes. You can see it through the oven. And you're gonna keep on food.
Goes away.
Let me see that phone.
Food.
I'll have that phone call.
And that's all for now. Goodbye.